Day 15. Yesterday you practiced setting your start date. Today you're going to learn how to tell your algorithm exactly when its backtest should stop. Your simulation has to begin somewhere, but it also has to end somewhere. Without a stopping point, your algorithm wouldn't know where the historical test is supposed to finish. So, what is SetEndDate? SetEndDate is the method you call in initialize to set the exact date your backtest stops simulating historical data. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have pressing stop on a recorded match. On the right, set end date. Imagine you're rewatching that recorded football match again. You don't have to watch all the way to the final whistle. You can choose the exact minute the replay stops. Wherever you press stop, that's where your viewing of the match ends. The recorded match here says, you choose the exact moment the replay finishes. Set end date works exactly the same way. It marks the exact point in history your simulation stops, which in this case is. If you set end date to December 2023, your backtest plays the market forward only up to that day, then stops. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set end date in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Set end date and set start date do the same thing, true or false? And the correct answer is false. Set start date marks where your backtest begins, and set end date marks where it stops. Together, they define the full window your simulation runs across.